Hi everyone, welcome to the next lesson on Spark channel. So, no stories, just marks. We don't waste time on basics, okay? So now, we have the question here. They want us to find the remainder if f at x is equal to 4x squared minus 2. What I need you to know, they say that it is divided by what? G at x is equal to 3x minus 6. So when they say find the remainder, if this f at x is divided by g at x, you take whatever that we are dividing by. So we are dividing f at x by g at x. So g at x, you're going to equate it to 0. Step number 1, you're going to let, so the first step that you need to do, you're going to let that g at x. We let your given g at x to be 0. Then when you get it, we know that g at x is given as what? 3x minus 6, and this is equated to 0. We need to solve for x. This will be 3x is equals to 6. When you divide both sides, what is x equals to? X is just 2. So we have the value of x. This is the value of x. So now that you have the value of x, to find the remainder, you're going to take and say that your remainder will be equals to f at 2. The answer that you got when you take the g at x is equals to 0, you substitute it on the original equation. And what is that equals to? It's 4. Where there's x, you put 2. This will be squared minus 2. So if you punch this on the calculator, you'll get that this is equals to 4. So 14 is our remainder. And that's how you solve this problem. Find the remainder if f at x is divided by g at x. You take one that we are dividing by, you equate it to 0, solve for x. The answer that you get, substitute it on the original equation. So when you get 14, you can see that 14 is your remainder.